Hello there! Nice to see you again. Today, we will practice verb to be in past tense. We will practice was and were. Let's get started. For past tense, we say I was or I was not. Repeat after me. I was. I was not. He was. He was not. She was. She was not. Great work. Let's practice sentences. For affirmative, you would say, I was at the park yesterday. For negative, you would say, I was not at the park yesterday. For affirmative, you would say, I was at school this morning. For negative, you would say, I was not at school this morning. Now it's your turn to practice. Can you fill in the blanks with correct verbs? That's right. You would say, he was hungry or he was not hungry. Let's try again. Fill in the correct verb. Go ahead, I'm listening. Well done. You would say, he was angry or he was not angry. Can you tell me the negative statement for she was dancing? Go ahead. That's right. She was not dancing. Can you tell me the negative statement for she was cooking? That's it. You would say she was not cooking. Let's move on. For pronoun you would say you were or you were not. For they, you would say they were or they were not. For we, you would also say we were or we were not. Let's practice. For affirmative, you would say you were at the store yesterday. For negative, you would say you were not at the store yesterday. Now it's your turn. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct verb? That's right. For affirmative, you would say you were laughing at her joke. For negative, you would say you were not laughing at her joke. Let's try one more time. Can you fill in the blanks with the correct verb for me? Well done. You would say they were acting silly or they were not acting silly. Can you tell me the affirmative statement for we were not watching TV? I'm waiting. That's right. You would say we were watching TV. Great work. Can you tell me the affirmative statement for we were not reading? You got it. You would say, we were reading. Well done, guys. You did great. See you next class. Bye. By the end of this lesson, I can use the verb to be in the past tense with pronouns I, you, they, we, he, and she. I can make simple affirmative and negative statements in the past tense.